Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English Mind Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, friend. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
That is good. How is your day going?
It is a beautiful morning, the sun is bright, and, well, the sky is very blue.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
Yes, it is a perfect day to just sit down, relax, and have a nice conversation.
I completely agree. I have to tell you, I had a small problem this morning.
Oh, really? What happened?
Well, I dropped my coffee.
Oh, no.
Yeah, a big mess on the floor. The coffee was everywhere.
That is very sad.
It was. And, I looked at the coffee and I thought, did I do a mistake or did I make a mistake?
Yes. English can be very tricky sometimes.
Exactly. Learning English is a fun journey, but it can be hard. The rules are strange.
Right. The words sound funny sometimes.
Yes, they do. And that is perfectly okay. We are here with you today.
Yes, we are. Welcome to our deep dive.
Thank you. We will just talk today. We will have a slow, calm morning chat.
I like that. We will take our time. We will go very slowly.
Right. You do not need to take a test today.
No test at all. You can just sit back. You can drink your tea or your coffee.
Just please do not drop your coffee like I did.
Yes, hold your coffee tight. Just listen to our voices.
So today we want to look at 8 small things.
8 simple parts of the English language.
Yes. We will look at these small words together, and they will help you understand your own English level.
Right. It is like a small, fun game.
A very relaxed game. We will talk about these 8 things, and you can listen.
And you can think, do I know this rule?
Exactly. It will help you see if you are a beginner or intermediate or maybe advanced.
So let us start with time. Time is something we all think about every single day.
Oh, yes. Always looking at the clock.
Right. Listen to this sentence. Think about it quietly in your head.
Okay, I am ready.
If I had more time, I would learn English faster.
Oh, that is a nice sentence. I will say it one more time for you. If I had more time, I would learn English faster.
Yes. That is a beautiful sentence. And it starts with a very small, very important word.
The word is if.
Right.
I-F, if.
Yes, if.
That small word always makes me think of dreaming.
Oh, really? Like how?
Well, I am imagining something in my head, something that is not real right now.
You are exactly right. We call these conditional sentences.
Conditional sentences? That sounds like a big rule.
It's just a name. They talk about a condition. A condition is something that must happen first.
I see.
It is a dream about the present moment or, a dream about the past.
So if I think about my normal day, I am very busy.
Right. We are all busy.
I wake up very early. I go to work. I drive my car. I cook dinner for my family.
Yes, you do a lot.
I do. I do not have extra time.
Yes. That is your real life. You are busy. You do not have a lot of free time.
Right.
But you can imagine a different life. You can close your eyes and dream.
Oh, I like that.
You can say, if I had more time.
And then I can finish the dream with what I want to do.
Exactly.
Right.
What is your dream?
Well, if I had more time, I would read a big book.
That is nice.
Or if I had more time, I would sleep for 10 hours.
Yes. You understand it perfectly.
Let us give our listening friend a chance to practice this.
Good idea. Think about your day right now. What is your dream?
If I had more money, I would.
Yes. Finish the sentence in your head. If I had more money, I would.
I would buy a big red car. That is fun.
It is fun. If. Just 2 small letters. But they open a very big door to our dreams.
They really do. But, we do not always dream.
No, we do not. Sometimes real life is messy.
Yes, very messy.
Sometimes things go wrong in our day.
Yeah.
Let us go back to your coffee from this morning.
Oh, yes. The dropped coffee. A very sad moment for me.
I'm sure it was.
I dropped it on the floor. I did something wrong.
Right.
Now, my brain wants to translate this from my first language.
That is very normal.
In many languages, people say, do a mistake. Because I did the action of dropping the coffee.
Yes, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Many, many people learning English say, do a mistake.
Oh, really?
Yes. It makes logical sense to your brain. But, well, in English, it is not correct.
It is not correct.
Yep.
Okay. So, I must say, make a mistake.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You make a mistake.
But why is that? Why do we use make and not do?
That is a good question.
Are they not both doing an action?
They're both actions, yes. But in English, some words just like to go together naturally.
Oh, I see.
They're like very good friends holding hands. The word make and the word mistake always hold hands.
Word friends. I like that picture in my head.
It is a good picture.
Make and mistake are best friends. They go to the park together. They eat lunch together.
Yes, they do. We call this a collocation.
A collocation.
Yes, it just means words that live together in a sentence. Native speakers almost always use the word make with mistake.
So I can say, I made a big mistake at work today.
Perfect.
Or, I made a mistake in my English homework.
Yes, you can. And, if you hear someone say, do a mistake, you will know what they mean.
Right. I will understand them.
Exactly. But you'll know the natural way is make.
Make a mistake. I will remember that. And I will finally clean up my spilled coffee.
That is a good idea. Making a mistake can make us feel bad inside.
Yes. It changes our mood.
That makes me think about feelings. Feelings are a big part of our day.
Feelings are very important. We need good words to talk about how we feel.
We do.
But there are two feeling words that confuse me a lot.
Oh, which ones?
They look almost exactly the same. The words are interesting and interested.
Ah, yes. Interesting and interested. They sound very similar.
They really do.
It is a very common place to make a mistake.
See? You used our new phrase, make a mistake.
I did.
Yes, I made a mistake with these words before. I get confused. Is there a simple trick to remember which one is which?
Yes, there's a very simple trick.
Oh, good.
Think about the source of the feeling. Think about a movie.
Okay, a movie.
You sit on your soft sofa, you turn on the television, you watch a new movie.
I'm imagining it.
The movie has a great story. The movie is interesting.
Okay, the movie is interesting. So the movie is the thing outside of me.
Yes, exactly. The movie is the thing. Because the movie is interesting, it does something to you.
It changes my feeling on the inside.
Right. You become interested.
Oh, I see. The thing outside is interesting.
Yes.
And my feeling inside is interested. I am interested in the interesting movie.
You got it. The ing word is the cause.
The cause.
Yes. And the ed word is the feeling inside you.
Let me try with another word.
Okay, go on.
Let me try the word tiring, like working in the garden all day long.
Oh, yes. Garden work.
It is hot outside. There's a lot of dirt. The work is tiring.
Yes. The work outside of you is tiring. So how do you feel inside?
Well, I feel tired. The tiring work makes me feel tired.
Exactly. Let us try one more.
Okay.
You read a big book. The book has no pictures. The story is very slow.
Oh, I know this feeling.
The book is boring.
The book is boring. So my feeling inside is I feel bored.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Interesting. Interested. Tiring, tired, boring, bored.
That trick is very helpful. I will not mix them up again.
That is great.
The ing is the thing outside. The ed is me inside.
Right. Sometimes we feel very happy inside.
Yes, happy is a good feeling.
Like when we see a good friend. Meeting friends is a wonderful feeling.
It is. I love meeting friends.
But listen to this English sentence. I ran into my teacher yesterday.
I ran into my teacher. That is a great natural sentence.
It is.
But, well, my brain gets confused again.
Why is that?
Ran. Running is fast. Running is moving your legs very quickly.
Right.
Did I run very fast down the street and hit my teacher with my body? Bam.
No, please do not hit your teacher.
Oh, good, because that sounds dangerous.
Nobody's running fast. Nobody's hurt.
Okay. So what does it mean? Why do we say run into?
This is a special group of words. We call it a phrasal verb.
A phrasal verb.
Yes. When we put the word run and the word into together, it creates a brand new meaning.
A new meaning.
Yes. It does not mean running with your legs.
What is the new meaning then?
It means you meet someone, but you did not plan to meet them. It is a surprise.
Like a happy accident.
Yes, exactly like a happy accident. Imagine you go to the food store.
Okay, I'm at the store.
You are looking at the red apples.
Yeah.
You are putting some bread in your basket.
Just shopping for my dinner.
Right. And suddenly you look up and you are there, standing by the bananas.
Standing by the bananas. We did not call each other on the telephone.
Right.
We did not plan this meeting.
Right. I'm just buying bananas. You are buying apples. We are very surprised.
Oh.
In this moment, you can smile and say, oh, I just ran into you.
I ran into you at the store.
Yes.
That is a very friendly phrase. It is much better than saying, I met you by surprise accident.
Yes. Run into is much more natural. You will hear native speakers use it all the time.
Really?
Yes. Like I ran into my neighbor, or I ran into my brother at the park.
I love that. Let us try saying it slowly for our listener.
Okay.
You can try saying it too. I ran into my friend.
I ran into my friend. Beautiful.
Now, we talked about meeting someone yesterday.
Yes, yesterday.
Yesterday is the day before today. Time is always important.
Very important.
But where do I put the time word in an English sentence?
That is a great question. We have rules for where time words can live.
Let us look at a sentence. Yesterday, I finished the project.
Yesterday, I finished the project. That is a perfect sentence.
But the word yesterday is at the very beginning.
Yes, it is.
Can I put it in the middle? Can I say, I yesterday finished the project?
I see what you were trying to do.
Yeah.
You want to put the time next to the person? But no, that does not sound right.
Oh,
To a native speaker, that sounds a little bit broken.
it sounds broken. Okay, so not in the middle.
Not in the middle.
Can I put it at the very end? Like, I finished the project yesterday?
Yes, you can put it at the very end.
I finished the project yesterday.
That is totally fine.
Yeah.
It is very normal and relaxed.
So the beginning is fine, the end is fine, the middle is bad.
Exactly.
But why would I put it at the beginning? Yesterday I finished the project. It sounds very strong.
You are very smart to notice that. It does sound strong.
Yeah, it feels different.
When we put the time word at the very beginning, we emphasize the time.
Emphasize. We make it the most important part of the sentence.
Yes. Imagine you are talking to your boss at work.
Okay, my boss.
Your boss has waited a long time for this big project.
Right?
You want your boss to know right away that it is done. The time is the most important news.
Ah. I want my boss to hear the time first.
Sure.
So I say, yesterday I finished the project. I'm very proud.
Exactly. You are shining a big light on the word yesterday.
I like that.
But if it is just a normal detail for a friend, you put it at the end. I went to the store yesterday.
I like this rule. Beginning for strong power and for normal talk, never in the middle.
Oh, very good. Now, let us talk more about people.
Okay.
We ran into a friend. We talked to our boss. Let us talk about family.
Family is nice.
Let us talk about marriage.
Marriage, two people sharing their lives together, a husband and a wife. Two husbands, two wives.
Yeah.
A very special, close relationship.
It is. And when we talk about this close relationship, we use small connecting words.
Like what?
We call them prepositions.
Yeah.
Look at this sentence. She is married to a doctor.
She is married to a doctor.
Yes.
I want to guess something.
Okay, guess.
In many languages, the connecting word is with because they are living together.
Right.
So many people might guess she is married with a doctor. Does that sound right?
That is a very smart guess because you are right, they are together.
Yeah.
But in English, married with is not correct. It's a very common mistake for learners.
It is a mistake. Okay, so I do not say with.
No, with.
What about by? Married by a doctor.
Oh, well, if you say married by a doctor, it means the doctor performed the ceremony.
Oh.
The doctor stood at the front of the room and said, "You are now husband and wife."
That is very different. I want to say they are husband and wife together in the home.
Then you must always use the word to. Married to.
Married to. So she's married to a doctor.
Yes. The word to shows the direction of the relationship. They are connected to each other.
I see. My sister is married to an engineer.
Very good. He is married to a teacher.
I am married to a very nice person.
Perfect.
And-
Always remember that small word, married to.
Married to.
It will make your English sound very natural.
Speaking of sounding natural, we have learned many rules today.
Yes, we have.
Rules about time, rules about make and do. Rules are very helpful.
Rules give us a map. They help us know where to walk safely.
Yes, they do. But when I talk to my friends, we are not looking at a map.
No, you are not.
We are just talking. We are relaxed. We use casual speech.
Casual speech is beautiful. It is warm.
It is.
It is how real people connect with each other. You do not want to sound like a dusty grammar book.
I do not want to be a dusty book. I want to be a friend.
Well,
How can I sound more like a friend?
let us learn a very common phrase. Imagine your friend says something very smart.
Okay.
You want to say, yes, you are completely right.
Yeah.
In casual speech, you can say, I totally agree with you.
I totally agree. That feels very warm.
It is very warm.
But wait, can I say I very agree? Because very means a lot, like very big or very hot.
I understand the logic, but native speakers do not say very agree.
Oh.
Agree is an action, not a describing word.
Huh.
So we say totally agree or completely agree.
I totally agree. I like the sound of that. Totally is a fun word to say.
It is. Friends say it all the time.
Totally.
Now, there's another part of sounding natural. It is about speed.
Speed. Yes. Fast talking.
Right.
Sometimes I watch an English movie. The actor speaks so fast.
They too speak fast.
The words all blend together into one big sound. It is hard to listen and understand.
It is very hard. When native speakers speak fast, they squish words together.
They squish them.
Yes, the words change shape. Let us look at the words going to.
Going to. Like, I am gonna eat dinner.
Exactly. But in fast, relaxed speech, We often do not pronounce every letter.
Really?
We do not say going to. We say gonna.
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 Gonna. Gonna. Yeah.
Gonna.
It sounds a little funny when we say it so slowly. Gonna.
It does sound silly slowly.
Uh-huh.
But watch what happens in a full sentence.
Okay.
A friend asks you a question. They want to say, what are you going to do tonight?
All right.
But fast, it becomes, what are you going to do tonight?
What are you going to do tonight? Wow, it sounds so smooth.
It does.
It flows easily like water.
It does flow.
Yeah.
This is called connected speech. Words linked together.
Let us practice this together. I want our listener to try this right now.
That is a great idea.
It feels good to say.
Yes, please practice with us wherever you are. Repeat after me. Nice and slow.
Okay.
What are you going to do this weekend?
What are you going to do this weekend? Let's try another one.
All right.
I am going to call my friend.
I am going to call my friend. Very good. Let us do one more.
Okay.
She's going to start a new job.
She is going to start a new job. You know, when I use gonna, I feel less nervous.
That is wonderful.
I feel like a relaxed, natural speaker.
It is a wonderful feeling. You will hear gonna everywhere, in English songs, on the television, and walking in the street.
We have had such a nice conversation today. This brings us to the end of our deep dive.
We learned a lot.
We really did. Let us look back at our small game. We talked about 8 small English things today.
Yes, 8 small things.
We talked about the word if for dreaming. We talked about making mistakes.
We talked about feeling interested or feeling tired.
Right. We talked about running into a friend at the store.
And putting yesterday at the beginning for strong emphasis.
Yes, and being married to someone, not married with.
Exactly. And finally, we learned to say totally agree and gonna.
8 things. Now let us check your level.
Yes. Think about these 8 things. Before we started talking today, how many did you know?
Be honest with yourself.
Yes.
If you knew only 1 or 2 of these rules, you are probably closer to an A1 level. You are a beginner.
And that is a beautiful place to be.
Which is totally fine.
Exactly. A beginner is just starting the adventure. Every expert in the world was once a beginner. You are doing great.
I totally agree. But what if you knew more?
Well, if you knew 3, 4, or 5 of these things, you are closer to a B1 level. You are intermediate.
Intermediate is fantastic.
It means you can have a good conversation. You understand the big ideas. You are growing fast.
And if you knew a lot, if you knew 6, 7, or all 8 of these things, you are closer to a C1 level. You are advanced.
Advanced is wonderful.
Yeah.
You understand the tiny details.
Right.
You understand the fast, natural speech.
Yeah.
You should be very proud of your hard work.
Remember, this small score is not a perfect science. It is just a simple way to look at your English.
Yes, it helps you see how far you have come.
Learning a language takes a very long time. It is a big puzzle.
It is. You just find one small piece every day.
Just one small piece. We are very happy to help you find those pieces.
We are.
Before we say goodbye today, we have a small task for you. A gentle challenge.
I love a small challenge. What should they do?
Think about your day right now. Look around you. Later today, when you talk to a friend, or even if you just talk to yourself in the mirror,
Yes.
try to use one of our new phrases.
Yes. Try to tell someone I totally agree.
Or try to use the fast word, gonna. Say, I am gonna eat an apple.
Just use it one time. It will lock the word in your memory. It will make your English a little bit stronger.
That is a wonderful idea. Thank you for sitting with us today.
Yes. Thank you for your time and your hard work. Have a beautiful, calm day.
Thank you, friend. Do your small task. We will see you next time. Goodbye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.